Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, carries the spirit of Pi Day all year round, Valvo. And today we're talking about outdoor furniture, specifically tables and patios. Oh wait, that's supposed to be an R. Wait, this should be tables and ratios. Oh gosh, that is so much better. I know nothing about outdoor furniture. I was going to spend 10 minutes talking about wicker. Phew, let's do it. We've done a little work with tables and ratios before, but today we'll really get our hands dirty. The important thing to remember is that we can use tables to record and compare ratios. So for example, suppose Sue runs laps around a track, while her coach records her number of laps and times in the table below. What if Sue's coach wanted to know how long it would take Sue to run one lap? Assuming her speed remains constant, we already know how to find the unit rate of laps to time.